Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Good, I'm very well, thank you. Before we start our English class today, let's pray together. Okay, done. So, I will check attendance now. Please say present when you hear your name. Alright, everyone is present. Are you guys ready to learn today? Good, let's begin. But before, let me ask a question. Have you ever stayed at a hotel? Or what is the first thing you do when you arrive at the hotel? Right, talk to the receptionist and then fill the form. And finally, you can check in. This process is called a procedure. So today, we will learn how to explain hotel procedure in English, especially at the front office. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand procedure text and how to apply this skill in a real hospitality situation. This skill is not only for school assessment. This is a core competency expected in hotels, restaurants, and tourism services. So, please pay attention to this lesson. What is procedure text? Anyone knows about it? A procedure text is a text that explains how to do something step by step. In hospitality, procedures are very important to give good service. I will give you an example of procedure text. The goal is to check in hotel guests properly and professionally. And the steps are: first, greet the guest politely. Next, ask the reservation details, then confirm the booking. After that, give the room key. Finally, wish the guest an enjoyable stay. Well, that is procedure text. A procedure text has a goal, steps, action, and sequencing words. What are sequencing words? That's right. Sequencing words like first, next, then, after that, and finally. Notice the verbs: create, ask, confirm, give. These are action verbs. We also use imperative sentences, such as greet the guest politely or ask the reservation details. Don't forget to use polite expression. Guest satisfaction is number one in hospitality. Are the steps in procedure text written randomly or in order? Correct, in order. Why do we need to follow the steps in order? To avoid mistakes, provide clear and structured instruction, and help readers perform tasks safely and correctly. Imagine if you did these steps randomly. The procedure text will not function effectively and several operational problems may occur. For example, giving the room key before confirming the reservation can make the interaction seem unprofessional and disorganized. Guests generally expect a clear, logical flow in service encounters. There is a high risk of administrative errors. Without asking for and confirming the reservation detail first, the receptionist might give a room key to the wrong guest, assign an incorrect room, or overlook special booking requests. This can lead to double bookings or security issues. In short, procedure text require a specific sequence because each step depends on the previous one. Performing the step randomly can cause confusion, errors, inefficiency, and a negative impression of the hotel's professionalism. Now, I want you to work in pairs. Together with your partner, make a simple procedure text with hospitality topic, like how to make a room reservation, how to clean a hotel bathroom, how to prepare a guest room, etc. You only need one goal and 5 to 7 simple steps. Don't forget to use polite and professional expression, simple present tense, imperative sentences, action verbs, and sequencing words. Finish? Now let's try a short role play with your partner. One will be the receptionist and the other one will be the guest. Good job, you all did it so well. With that in mind, let's move into a summary of our lesson today. What have you learned today? Is procedure text useful for your future job in hotel? So, today we learned that procedure text explains steps clearly and politely. In hotel service, following procedures help us give the best service to the guests. This lesson prepares you for a real hotel work. Remember, follow the steps, use polite language, and be professional. Next week, we will learn procedure text about handling guest complaints. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for your participation and keep practicing your English. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week.